View Charitable Clinic haina khangnaramma mafam asi Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited haina khangnarakani. Mafam asida medicine, gynecology, surgery, orthopedic, ENT amadi pediatrics ka mari lenaba analayingi service singi khudong chaba lobiyo. Akupa marol gidamak contact tobiyo Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, RIMS Southgate near Kombinay Kaithel. Hospital helpline number 8258967890. Sangai Services Private Limited, Yelhumida Thabak Pirasi, Thabak the Chilhau Thiroisi. Hosik, lockdown.
Top news headlines. Chief Minister talks to heal community leaders to intensify COVID fight. Manipur COVID-19 tally climbs to 44, active cases 40. Floods wreak havoc in Assam, 2 lakh people under grip of deluge. And 2 Shramik special trains ferry back 4,210 stranded Manipuris. A very good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the Evening News Bulletin. I'm ALBINA giving you the latest news updates. And Biren, the Chief Minister of Manipur, today held talks with leaders of communities in the hills to discuss the virus fight. The meeting, which began from 10 a.m., was held at the Chief Minister Bungalow. 50 representatives from the hills attended the meeting. Leaflets on COVID-19 written in different languages were also distributed to them. Chief Minister Biren during the meeting highlighted on the need to fight the infectious virus together and strictly follow the guidelines issued by WHO, ICMR, Ministry of Health and Home Affairs. Biren also informed that the state has been witnessing an increase in COVID-19 recovery cases. Biren lauded the efforts by all health workers and also the support of the people in the fight against the disease. Chief Minister also urged the people not to stigmatize people who are undergoing home quarantine. He appealed to the hill leaders to educate the people on coronavirus. Biren also urged that all must remain vigilant along the Indo-Myanmar border. The COVID-19 cases in Manipur have gone up to 44. 2 more positive cases were confirmed late on Tuesday and 3 were reported today. Yesterday's new positive cases were confirmed by Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory (VRDL) of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal. The patients belong to Thoubal district. With this, the COVID-19 active cases in the state have jumped to 44, while 4 have been cured and discharged. The active cases now stand at 40. Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, 1,94,916 people suffer as flood wreaks havoc in Assam's 7 districts. According to Assam State Disaster Management Authority, 229 villages of Brisnapur, Demaji, Lakhimpur, Darang, Nalbari, Golpara, Dibrugarh and Tinsukia have been deluged by heavy rains. The flood has affected around 1,007 hectares of agricultural land and more than 11,000 domesticated animals. So far, 28 relief camps in Golpara, 4 in Demaji, 2 in Lakhimpur and 1 relief camp in Tinsukia have been set up by the authority. Around 9,000 people are taking shelter at the relief camps at Golpara and Tinsukia. There are reports of bridges and culvert being washed away by the rains. Brahmaputra River in Sonitpurda, Jia Bharali and Jorhat are flowing above danger level. India Meteorological Department IMD has warned that if the rainfall continues, the flood will worsen. According to IMD, heavy rainfall is likely to lash Assam and Meghalaya till May 28. A Shramik special train ferrying around 1,660 stranded Manipuris from Bangalore reached the Jiribam railway station last night at around 9:50. The train left Bangalore on 23rd of this month. This was the 14th train to have brought returnees. According to our Jiribam correspondent, upon their arrival, the returnees were sent to their respective districts in buses. Meanwhile, another special train carrying around 1,600 Manipuris, which left Delhi on May 25, last arrived at the Jiribam railway station at 2:20 p.m. Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Sangai Services Private Limited Yelhumida Thabak Pirase Thabak the Chilhau Thiroise Houzik Lockdown Amaram Oiraga Sangai Services Private Limited ki Anova Service Kara Hapchinjare Service Singaduri Medicine Home Delivery Home Blood Sample Collection Sanitization Services Face Masks Gloves Hand Sanitizer Home Delivery Service Stay Home Stay Safe Order to Binabagidama contact Tobirau 70050717707 Natraga 70051122624.
Welcome back. The number of cases of the coronavirus disease on Wednesday crossed the 150,000 mark after 6,387 new infections were reported across the country in the last 24 hours, Union Health Ministry data showed. This is the sixth day in a row that India has reported more than 6,000 cases of COVID-19. On May 22, 6,088 people tested positive and 6,535 contracted for the respiratory disease on Tuesday. The country's death toll stands at 4,337 after 170 people died between Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning. There were 64,425 patients who have recovered and sent home so far. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Home Affairs yesterday revised the days of institutional quarantine from 14 to 7 days. 5 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19 in Nagaland, taking the state's total tally of active cases to 9. According to a media report, the 5 individuals are Chennai returnees. This was informed by State Health and Family Welfare Minister H. Pangnu Form through social media. Among those infected, 4 are from Dimapur and 1 is from Kohima. They are undergoing treatment at COVID-19 hospitals in Dimapur and Kohima. Meghalaya has registered 5 more COVID-19 positive cases. Confirming the news, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in a tweet today said that the infected patients were stranded people who recently returned from Delhi and Haryana. The Chief Minister informed that all the infected patients are currently in Shillong's Corona Care Center. He also said all of the patients are asymptomatic, according to a media report. 23 more people tested positive for COVID-19 in Tripura today. Among them, 18 people have come from Maharashtra by train and 5 others were in contact of positive patients. Positive cases 232, active cases 65, discharged 165 and migrated 2, a report said. Assam Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that 23 new positive cases of coronavirus were reported in the state. Total cases in this state are 666, including 597 active cases, 62 recovered, 4 deaths and 3 migrated. Lakshmi Kundrakpam and her 5-month-old girl child hailing from Imphal East, Kurai Sejar Lekai, died of COVID-19 in Saudi Arabia recently. This was confirmed by the family. Notably, Lakshmi, age of 31 years, and her child were found dead at their residence in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia on May 17. 4 months prior to her death, Lakshmi's husband Bizu Valeri, hailing from Kerala, had tested positive for COVID-19 and was admitted to a hospital in Riyadh. Kundrakpam Jamini, the mother of Lakshmi, denied her death was a case of suicide. Director of Mika General Hospital, Riyadh, Ahmad Ali Sulaiman, confirmed that Lakshmi and her child died of COVID-19, she mentioned. Jamini felt regret that they could not do anything owing to the lockdown despite assurance by the Saudi Arabia Health Ministry to bring back the bodies to Delhi.
Saudi Airport Authority na di bako akoi smai tong na sire Lakshmi je confirm tore hai ado mogi airport ki authority na di akoi Delhi babo di thinjarake Delhi dagi noina lawro hana hai bako ado mani akoi gi Manipur government gi di adugum kano se amata haibira ko sulaiti ado akoi na sire bani ni sado nungudi nungaiti sado masak masado uda bani na ado mayam gi irang lai basina akoi na sigumba manaraga akoi na mafam sida poraga poloi ba habase mayam puna maki khallaga akoi baba hoi akoi makwa sing sina adum nungai tra su ise da masa udraga su adadum poloi biro habagi aya base adum maitra ga longnaraga machi poloi khare arama pauda ya the mai tawase mali ta cheng nungai jade bako.
Former Chief Minister and CLP leader Okram Ibobi Singh has appealed to all to come forward and participate in tomorrow's Speak Up India campaign to be held from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. across the country. He also appealed to the centre to disburse rupees 10,000 each to all migrant workers who have been seriously impacted by the coronavirus pandemic. Briefing media today at their MPCC office in Imphal, Ibobi further said that these migrant workers who earn from hand to mouth have been hit the hardest by COVID-19 lockdown. And under the initiative of AICC President Sonia Gandhi, the social media campaign will be held to press the government for a financial assistance of rupees 10,000 to each migrant worker, free of cost of interstate travel, which height of job card holders under MG NREGS, he added.
We strongly opposed to legally a fight like anything 2017, 18, 19 Hauba. Delimitation Todana, Machina Sida based or delimitation Tobutardi, Manipur, Soba, hue and cry, Soba Malak, Akaiba Malakani, Haidana Coin, Tohundana Koi, Tamjarambani, the Government of India, who's Sarkar Paibiriba. Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Home Minister, Marilena ba. Aduga huzik states the labor government su masi mikop na hum sing na. Karigum darkar lerga dia koi party ki su darkar lerga dia koi maduda koi su dum yauja gani koi representative Marilena ba Prime Minister, Home Minister, aduga Election Commission of India da. Aran ba data. Miyam na thaja ba ngamda ba. Singna ba data. Madudai da madugi census today da. Based on delimitation Tobudi, Madusuk Ya Janing Diana, Hanasukoi opposed to when he was tot and nan, quite particularly Masiab, so Amoy Haina, quite Tamjaribani, labor workers into the Moi account, Palising Taratara PB, but Keso in a PB behind city, Quadi, Aruba, Woiroi, City Madam Saba, Dimani Haidana. Demand Taujaribani aduna hayeng sini social media campaign si hayeng taujagadabsi.
Under the Prime Minister Garib Kalyan package PMGKP, life insurance scheme of rupees 50 lakhs will be made available for health workers fighting COVID-19, the centre has announced. As per an office memorandum issued by Manipur Health Department, the insurance cover public health care providers, private hospitals, staff including retired, volunteers, local and urban bodies, daily wage earners, ad hoc, etc. The office memorandum also informed all concerned to contact Manipur Health Services Director regarding the scheme. with an aim to extend solidarity to media persons who are also among the frontline COVID warriors. Lanchenba Electrical Service, located at Uripok Gopalji Lairak in Imphal today, donated hand sanitizers and face masks to Tom TV staff. The items were handed over to channel's executive editor and Norend. Tom TV lauded Lanchenba Electrical Service for the kind gesture. Dry ration was distributed to households in Changangai Gram Panchayat Polling Station 10 under Patsoy constituency in Imphal West today. Patsoy MLA A.K. Mirabai, officials including Subdivisional Officer Dolat Shemari were present during the event. A team comprising of Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh General Secretary Nimbus Nongthombam, Vice Chairman Manipur Food and Industries Corporation Limited K. Sarat, Chairman of Manipur State Minorities Commission Anwar Hussain, President of BJP Thoubal District Kumarjit Yumnam today inspected quarantine centers set up in Lilong constituency in Thoubal District. They also provided edibles to the authorities of the quarantine centers during the trip. In view of the rapid rise in COVID-19 positive cases in the state, the Monsoon Organization and Monsoon Band at Terasapam Lairak of Imphal West today distributed hand gloves, surgical masks and sanitizers to security personnel and public. The team distributed the items at Tera Bazar, Reams Crossing, Kwakaital Bazar, Koyathong Crossing and Chingmairong.
Masi tanpa masi orang fawuda ngasai mamang demi yang dengan itu koi sarkar ki mai kai degi adegi police personnel mayam na honna bidana yam section honna nami adu nong magi koi ge sugumba mi mayam ma hengalak mata masidadi akoi careless labor not natraba su khara makai di masimai uzai masi koi gi keno masibu kitang do isu koi na hangam mating pangjabo oina mayam gi dang da khanjara koi masi koi na laibju later so koi monsoon organization na sinja langja na koi sugumba koi PPE gi posak khara mayam da koi provide tawjabani.
Puthiba Welfare and Cultural Society, Aboynagar, provided ration to around 90 residents of Kawabon, Ranir Bajar, Unung and Barjola by maintaining social distancing rules. Manipuri communities in 6 districts of Tripura have been adversely affected by the protracted COVID-19 lockdown. Many of them have been deprived of government-sponsored schemes, a report said. Helping people amid the COVID-19 lockdown for tribal villages under Payeng Gram Panchayat, namely Koken, Sahibung, Bozang and Gangnomphai, donated fresh vegetables to residents of Tairen Pokpi today at Tairen Pokpi Community Hall. Tairen Pokpi residents thank for the generous contribution. Again, we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Langol View Charitable Clinic haina khangnaram mafam asi Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited haina khangnarakani. Mafam asida medicine, gynecology, surgery, orthopedic, ENT amadi pediatrics ka mari lainaba analaying service singi khudong chawa lobiyo. Akupa marol gidamak contact tobiyo. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rims Southgate near Kombinay Kaithel. Hospital helpline number 8258967890.
Welcome back. Yumbirel Khut Club YKC Secretary El Doran has urged the authority concerned to extend support to 170 years old Nongmaithem Ongbi Mema of Nacho Maninglaikai in Bisnupur constituency. Mema is a physically and mentally challenged person. She has been facing extreme hardships during the lockdown. Talking to media persons, Doran said that helpless Mema and her family have been struggling to make both ends meet.
Namating pangbiba, gamen gi site su mating pangbiba, simadang to wina na bugi damat raiba, Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, the Mafam is open and not Hajari, Naisia Soleva, she's the soap and Hajari, when we are when you show my thing, the Motor Tozega, the many side tickets so high to see the me and Sambira Haraga, nothing but the Hana.
People of Nungba Area Civil Society Organization, students' bodies and Nungba Area Village Authority Association, NAVA, today strongly condemned the Manipur government order to send 11 medical staff members from Nungba Community Health Center to Jiribam Rail Station. Residents were protesting against the government, demanding that the order be revoked. They threatened that if the order is not cancelled immediately, they will launch band and blockade along National Highway 37.
Mi tera sa lo na hari sidi nung bagi strength di mi yam da bani mi tera sa kre nung kana na lai yeng ani adong hauze emergency case delivery mi yam sula ra ga lai ri asibo ekhoi nung ba bo kri ni na ubra adu de ekhoi gi asigi batang de ekhoi sa hala roi hai bi ekhoi lep re noi na pa ma tarab di lo ning ma tar di sai si ga da ga mam taur ga chalo nung ba gi pulap tha ge ha de ekhoi di ya roi.
Under the sponsorship of United NGOs Forum, Yaripok Chairman Kaisam Ningthem Jao Singh, face masks, hand sanitizers, hand gloves and other commodities were provided to different quarantine centers in Yaripok constituency today. Several Yaripok-based social organizations under United NGOs Forum, Yaripok in association with Laimanai Youth Club, Yaripok also sanitized the surrounding areas of Yaripok Bazaar and other locations in Andhra constituency to ward off COVID-19 pandemic. PPEs were also distributed to the residents. A public sanitization program on COVID-19 was also organized by United NGOs Forum, Yaripok. The Kanglei Park Kanba Loop KKL said it views with utmost seriousness the attempt by the Manipur Judicial Officers Association to tarnish the unblemished image of one of the bravest and cleanest police officers of Manipur, Additional Superintendent of Police Thaunauzam Brinda, by filing a case against her with the Cybercrime Superintendent of Police of the Manipur Police for her post on the social media Facebook. It may be noted that this was a fallout of the crackdown on drug dealers by Brinda and her team, in which the former chairman of the Autonomous District Council of Chandel, Sukol Lukosai Joe, was caught with 4.5 kilograms of heroin and over 1 lakh WY tablets. He had also on jump bail and had absconded for over 1 year till his surrender recently. He had again moved bail on medical grounds. The doctor Varnaikip Chiru, who had testified for the accused, was initially unsure of the seriousness of the ailment of the required gallbladder operation, but later said that it was serious. However, SP Brinda stated that under the provisions of the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychedelic Substances Act (NDPS), a person who had been arrested under it with a prima facie case being established has to prove his or her own innocence, that the fact that drugs worth several crores of rupees were caught from him was the prima facie case. However, Judge Aribam Nauten Swari decided to hold the dictum that a person is innocent until proven guilty and set him free on interim bail. President of Hill Tribal Council Moray Joseph Ginkosei Lungdim said that social organizations in Moray condemned the act of objecting the interim bail granted by the court to former chairman Autonomous District Council Chandel Lunkosei Joe. The former ADC chairman has been in judicial custody since June 20, 2018 in connection with a drug smuggling case. Ginkosei Lungdim further warned that strict action will be initiated against any individual or organization trying to oppose the judicial process.
Mi atayna kutinzillaga masi achumba natana natay chadana tonganna ako'y barom da chatlak pataragadi ako'y su tumil leroy ako'y no toba yaba makay tawgani ninda tawgani strike tawgani achumba tholak trip hawa ako'y na sarup lawgani haibisi prajada kanganjari.
Out of the 15 hottest cities in the world in the last 24 hours, 10 were in India with the others in neighboring Pakistan, according to weather monitoring website El Dorado. Rajasthan's Churu, about 20 kilometers north of state capital of Jaipur, recorded the country's highest temperature of 50 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Churu, known as the gateway to the Thar Desert, was matched by Jacobabat in Pakistan as the hottest place on earth on Tuesday. Bikaner, Ganganagar and Pilani were the 3 other cities from Rajasthan which were on that list. 2 cities were from Uttar Pradesh and 2 from Maharashtra. UP's Banda and Hisar in Haryana also recorded extreme temperatures of 48 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. The others in the list of hottest cities were New Delhi at 47.6 degrees Celsius, Bikaner at 47.4 degrees Celsius, Ganganagar at 47 degrees Celsius, Jhansi at 47 degrees Celsius, Pilani at 46.9 degrees Celsius, Nagpur Sonegaon at 46.8 degrees Celsius, Akola 46.5 degrees Celsius, both in Maharashtra, a media report said today. A U.S. biotechnology company began injecting a coronavirus vaccine candidate into people in Australia on Tuesday with hopes of releasing a proven vaccine this year. Novavax will inject 131 volunteers in the first phase of the trial, testing the safety of the vaccine and looking for signs of its effectiveness, the company's research chief Dr. Gregory Glenn said. Before we wind up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister talks to Hill community leaders to intensify COVID fight. Manipur's COVID-19 tally climbs to 44, active cases 40. Floods wreak havoc in Assam, 2 lakh people under grip of deluge. And 2 Stramik special trains ferry back 4,210 stranded Manipuris. And with that, it's a wrap for this evening news bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Good time ahead.